How do I insert formula in between sentences? How do I insert formula in between sentences? For example, in A1 I want to write so equals C1 will replaced with anything in C1 cell. If in A1 I write welcome, then in B2 I write equals C1, then I will get welcome equals C1, but they are in separate cells and have a space between them.
You can use the concatenate function. In cell A1 put. It will concatenate the string, welcome, with the string written in cell C1. See the result below. You can also try Adam's suggestion of inserting the following in A1. The result will be the same. If you want to insert more names, just insert the cell reference where the name is written, C1, D1, E1, etc., in your function separated with the and character. See below an example. Note, I inserted a blank space to separate the names, however you can insert, comma, or anything else. The same thing can be done using the concatenate function. In cell A1 insert.
I am not sure I understand your question correctly, but if I do, you simply enter the following formula in A1. That will give you, welcome Adam, in A1 if C1 contains Adam.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.